Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks a lot for clicking on this video. I want to take a look at SUI. SUI has been for the good part of the last 2, 4, 6 weeks a defiant in a sense that it did not move in the same way as the rest of the crypto market, which is good. But now the price action is opening the door for a few scenarios as we potentially probably reach a new high in the near future. But first, let me recap what I'm looking at for the long-term bigger picture. So I ignored everything that is prior to 16th of October because it's pointless. There is not much to be done with this count, and we have wave 1 up, 3 wave down as an ABC for wave 2. That means wave 3 in blue has an expected minimum target of $7.13. That wave 3, we're not going to go there in a straight line. We want to see price always move in a 5-wave fashion. So if I go down to the daily, you can see that price is moving up until today. Until today, in a 5-wave pattern, we have wave 1, wave 2 correction, and within this wave circle 3, that has a minimum expected target of $3.08, we have completed what looks like 3 waves, and we are now, price is now supposedly within a wave 4 correction. I say supposedly because this is where the two scenarios can unfold. So if the assumption is made that we are doing a wave 4, so we have an A, B, and a C down, the C would theoretically end up at, so this looks like potentially a running flat or an expanded flat. So we would look at prices to go at $1.49 for wave C to end. That would complete wave 4. And then we would go back up in 5 waves, impulse towards wave 5 brackets of 3 circle at $3.08. Now, if price, when they build the wave C, they go below this 132 in red, this 50% retracement, this will be an indication that this is not a wave 4. Wave 4 cannot go below 50%. And the assumption will be then that instead of a wave 4, we are doing a wave 2. Let me explain. If this is a wave 2, then that means the move up since, what was it, early September? The 2nd of September, the move up has completed. The 5 wave, here, ABC, wave 4 down. And now we have wave 5 complete. Having said that, we would now expect prices to break below 132, obviously, and then find support within this green area. Most likely, and I say most likely, I wouldn't be surprised to see price first hit this area here, the 61.8% at $1.11, because that's the high of wave 1. So that could be a good attraction point for price to get to. There is nothing bearish about this chart. Bigger picture, I was saying $7.13. Medium-term picture, there is nothing bearish about it. We are still aiming for $3.08 simply because the structure hasn't been invalidated. We haven't broken, prices have not broken below 76, I think it is, 74 cent, which is the low of wave 2 correction. So we can expect prices to either, like I was saying, go for a wave 2, something like that. Yeah, I'm probably not that aggressive. Let's try that again, something like that. A 3-wave correction up and then go down for wave C. And you would have your wave 2, and from that point forward, you would look for prices to move impulsively in a 3-wave fashion towards the $3.08, something like that. Yeah. So that's the update for SUI. Let's watch how the price is reacting as it moves down. If it moves down, there is a possibility that we continue higher. But it's good to have a second scenario in mind. I think that, let me go back to the original idea. you see that prices did go higher than the most recent high here. So we could have an ABC correction that unfolds as either an expanded flat, meaning that the C leg is not gonna go below the lowest point of the A leg, or we could have a running flat, which could take prices also lower. So once the price is going down, we can look for the extension level, whether it's we are doing an expanded flats. We would want to look for wave C equal to wave A. That means 100%. So let me take out those, that the chart is not polluted. So wave C, if we're doing an expanded flat, then we would have prices come back down to this $1.73. If this wave 4 correction is actually a running flat, prices would probably go down to this 150 level before going back up. Okay. Now the line in the sand is $1.32. Break that and you can scratch this wave 4 scenario. You can consider that this move up is complete, and now we're doing a wave 2 of a much larger amplitude. Okay, that's it for the video. I think the picture is quite clear. If you like this video, leave me a comment and tell me how this video has provided value to you. I can leverage your input to improve the content I provide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is very much appreciated. Leave a like as well. And also take care of yourself. That's also very important. Thanks a lot for your time. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.